Done there. Done.
Drink that, but without squeezing it.
Really nice, isn't it? Yeah. Took.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I think that table we had back the glass there. So that's pretty good. So you've got your normal pints, then you've got your shandies.
I see a chat.
Then you've got your pints with the tops, your pints with lime, and then your pints with blackcurrant, and they're all reasonable. They're all around about £4.50 to about £5, something odd a drink, give or take whatever drink you have. And then you've got your bottled beers, your cocktails, pretty good selection of cocktails if I'm honest. Shed loads of soft drinks, large, small, different ones, ice, slices, soft drinks in the bottles, different ones, Vimtos, Capri Suns, fresh milk if you want it, orange juice, J2Os. Then you go into your spirits, your wines, and well, that's pretty much where the list ends. And they even do champagne and prosecco.
When are we gonna come here again?
Ready for the swing. Bye! And they're off.
Star Command, tighten the robot. Mission log, Stargate 4703. Just landed at this strange planet. Inhabitants appear friendly, but...
Yeah. What are we going to watch? Yay!
Their numbers are still low, they are in danger, but they are improving. Because of amazing charities like the Diane Fossey Foundation, the lady that inspired the movie Gorillas in the Mist. Now these silverbacks here, when they're angry kids, you will know about it. They will make gorilla noises and bang on their chest as loud as we can, and we want you to do the same. Are you ready? After 3, Bognor, 1, 2, 3! Now these ones here are as
Chips, corn, what pudding, Noah? Chocolate brownie.
Look at the main one there.
I'll choose
Skirts are up the short, so don't fit. They look at the red blob on your skirt. Right, all across the chips.
Can you help me open it? Then pick up like this.
To be fair though, it's that.
Shall we meet the contestants? Let's meet the team! Yay! Come on in. There they are. Give them a round of applause. Absolutely terrifying. To be a star or a pie?
A star.
Of course you do. You want to get through to the next round. Ian, how are you feeling?
Thing or
Oh, no! You did one number 3, okay, so you blame it Evie straight away, I like it. And yours and Sam's, it's a privilege to be playing a small part of such a fantastic show, so thank you for having me, thank you.
Yes, thanks. I was actually talking about what's it like being involved in a great show like The Chase.
Oh, it's fine, right. I much prefer yours. Right. Sam and Mark's Big Friday wind-up, Cracker Jack, Junior Bay.
Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.